Yeah, hi, good morning everyone. This is Rajesh Palve from the technical desk. I just take you through the weekly technical view for the Nifty as well as the USD INR technical view for the day. In the last week, Nifty started week on the flat note, but throughout the week we have seen there was a buying interest seen in the market, and Nifty gained around 112 point compared to the previous week and managed to close above 7700 level at 7717 level. So Nifty has formed a long bullish candle on the weekly chart, which is a positive sign on the Nifty. And even if we look at the near-term charts, the Nifty managed to hold its 20-day, 50-day as well as the 100-day simple moving average, which is again positive development on the near-term as well as on the short-term chart front for the Nifty. So if Nifty continues to hold these moving averages, then we'll see bullishness to remain continue in the market and buying interest to remain in the market, and Nifty can move further higher from these level. Looking at the chart pattern 7730 and 7745, this is the possible resistance area for the Nifty for near-term trend. If Nifty crosses this level, then we'll see furthermore higher levels in the Nifty in very short time. And on the higher side, 7780, 7850 levels can be witnessed in the Nifty for near-term to short-term basis. On the lower side, 7600 would act as a good support area for any kind of minor corrective action in the market. So our preferred strategy is buying on the dips. Whenever we see any kind of dip near to the support area is the buying opportunity in the market. As we have mentioned, 7600 is the immediate support area for Nifty, and if Nifty breaks this level, then we may see some sort of profit booking may initiated in the market, and 7550, 7450 levels can be seen in near term basis. For the week, we are expecting 7780, 7780 could be the higher band for the Nifty for this week, and on the lower side 7550 could be the lower side support area for this week. Even if you look at the indicators also, the indicators are also positive in the near term as well as on the short term chart front, which is supporting the bullishness for the near term as well as on the short term basis. For the day, 7705 is the important level to watch for. If Nifty crosses this level, then we'll see bullishness to remain continued throughout the day, and on the higher side 7740, 7760 level can act as a resistance area for intraday basis. On the lower side 7680, 7650 would act as a support area for any kind of corrective action during the day. Some positive bias stocks for the day are Aditya Birla Nuvo, UPL, Idea, Star, Siemens, Ashok Leyland, Yes Bank, Infosys and McLeod Russell. Some negative bias stocks for the day are Apollo Tyre, HPCL, Petronet and Lupin. Now moving to the USD/INR view, in the last trading session, USD/INR opened on the flat note, and in the first half we have seen that there was some buying interest seen in the USD/INR, and USD/INR managed to cross 66.80 resistance area on the near-term chart. USD/INR marked a high of around 66.95 level, but in the second half we have seen again there was profit booking initiated in the USD/INR, and USD/INR closed at around 66.67 with the loss of around 0.02%. So day on day there was a muted kind of action, but again on the weekly chart as well as on the daily chart, USD/INR is in negative territory, and whenever we see any kind of move near to the resistance area of 66.80, 66.95 is the shorting opportunity in the market. On the lower side 66.60, 66.50 would act as a support area for near term basis, and if USD/INR breaks this level, then lower side level 66.30, 66.20 can be witnessed in near term basis. Thank you.